Hi guys, Steph here. What have we got for you today? Look at that beauty. What we've got for you today is a gorgeous pen. Now this is a Parker striped Duofold, and it comes from the family, if you like, of the striped Duofold pens, which Parker launched around about 1940s through to around about the about 1948, I believe. Now the striped Duofolds, or in some cases some of them were actually called the Parker Duovacs. Now, excuse me. Now, I've actually shown you a Parker Duovac before, so at the end what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you a link to the top there, so go and have a look at that if you wish. Now, these striped Duofolds came in numerous, well, first of all, numerous different colours, numerous different sorts of configurations, if you like. Some had 3, some had 2 cap bands, and also they came in different filling systems. Some of them had what they term, as I said, the Duovac, and they had, well, an aluminium speedline filler, and then the later ones they had the sort of plastic plunger or vacuumatic filler. And they also brought out this particular model, which, as you'll see in a moment, is a button filler. So as you can see, different colours, different configurations, different sizes, and different fillers as well. But what we're going to do, let's concentrate on this gorgeous pen. First of all, let's show you the colour. Absolutely beautiful. It comes in this sort of blue and silver stripes, which also has these sort of, if you like, black stripes running down the length of the pen. Let's take you straight to the barrel imprint, and let's keep it nice and still for you, so hopefully that is nice and legible. And what it actually says is Parker Duofold. Underneath it has made in USA, and to the right there, hopefully you can see, it has a number 1 with 3 dots, which is indicating that this particular pen was made in 1941. Let's see if I can give you a different view. Okay, so that's the barrel imprint for you there. While we're at it, to the end of the pen there, you can see it's got this black sort of blind cap to the very end, and again some of them actually had a longer cap, and the caps, or the blind caps if you like, were the same colour as the barrel material as well. But this one, as you can see, it's got this slightly peaked blind cap in black. Let's take you up to the other end, and there we have it. You can see the cap band there in this particular model has quite a large gold cap band there. If we take you up to the clip, you'll notice that these clips now are slightly different. They're what they call these streamlined Parker clips with the word Parker on them. And to the very top there, you can see it's got this black cap stud, again slightly peaked to the very top. There's a sideways view. Incidentally, as you'll see on the other video, some of these pens actually came with the blue diamond to the clip, to the top of the clips. This one, as you can see, is just a straightforward streamline with the word Parker. As I say, absolutely gorgeous. This one came to me for a little bit of work and a polish, which we've actually done, and it's ready to go back to the lucky customer. The size of this model, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 132mm capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 11mm in diameter. So all in all, an absolutely stunning pen. a very well made, quality made fountain pen, and very collectible as well. Not just this one, but as I say, the whole family of the striped Duofold pens. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you some of the customary twirls. As you can see, it's in beautiful condition and ready to go back to the customer, which is a little bit well, a little bit daunting, because it'd be nice to have it in my collection, but hey ho, that's the way it goes. Excuse me. There you go, you can see this section, quite a small section, and if I take my hand away on this particular model and in some other models, you can see to the end of the section there, it has this sort of ink view window, if you like. It's not necessarily to show you how much ink you've got in, but when you're actually using it, it'll give you an indication of when you're running out of ink. But there you go, you can see it's got this clear sort of ink view to the bottom of the section. Let's take you up to the nib. Let's keep it nice and still, and the nib there reads Parker pen, made in USA, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it because it's just slightly hidden by the section, but to the very bottom it also has the number 1 with the 3 dots, and incidentally the 3 dots indicate which quarter of 1941 the pen was actually made. So as you can see, the original nib, lovely condition. Let's give you a sideways view, and let's show you the feed underneath. It's quite a straightforward Parker feed of the period. And one thing you'll notice there, to the very bottom of the feed, you'll see it's got a letter A. Now, as far as I'm aware, I don't know how true it is, but I do believe that the A indicates that it's actually a non-standard feed. So it may have been replaced sometime in the past or in the factory. So I'm not particularly sure, but what happened of this particular period, Parker would actually use all the parts that they've got available in the factory. So in some cases these pens come with a slightly different configuration that you wouldn't expect, and I assume it would be a case where Parker would actually use the parts that are available to them. A lovely size pen, nice and comfortable to hold, and as we said, it's a button filler, which means we unscrew the blind cap for you there. Okay, so you can see we've got the blind cap, we've got the button to the end there, and if I turn it round slightly, there we go, you'll notice just to the lip of the screw section, or the thread if you like, it's got this little metal piece, and that is showing us that this pen is actually fitted with a crook lever, not lever should I say, a crooked filler bar inside, and in effect what it does, the crook sits on the lip of the little well, sorry, it sits on the top of the lip of the threads there. Okay, so while we've got that off there, I'm sure some people will be shouting now, yes, can we see it writing? To fill the pen, we dip the ink, or sorry, the section in the ink, press on the button numerous times. I'm just reaching over to get some tissue until the pen fills with ink, but we'll just do it once. Okay, so I'm hoping you could hear that, lots of gurgling, which is precisely what we want to hear. we get the button, screw it back on, and we're ready to go. And again, what you'll notice now, the ink view there is not as clear because it's indicating that we've got ink in the pen. So let's bring on our little writing pad and let's see how the pen writes. So what we have is a Parker, striped Duofold, made in the USA. As we said, this particular model we can date precisely to 1941, and it comes in blue and silver stripes. Does it have any flexibility? I would say very slightly. Although saying that, it's a lovely smooth writer. There we go. So there's a writing sample, a lovely writer. As you can see, writing, I would say, I don't know, maybe a fine medium line with a little downward pressure. You can see we're getting a little bit of variation in the line, but all in all, a gorgeous, smooth writer. Lovely. I wish it was mine. So let's pop the cap back on. What we'll do, we'll swill the pen out once we've done the video, and it'll be on its way back to the very lucky customer. So there we have it. Look at that colour there, absolutely gorgeous. The shimmering blues and silver colours with, yes, I would say these black lines running the length of the pen in absolutely beautiful condition and in full working order. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish it was mine, but there we go. So let's leave it at that. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, why not? Subscribe now. And last but not least, down below, if you possibly can, please support my work. But for now, from me and this gorgeous pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.